In this video, I'll show you how to replace your outside faucet in only minutes without any soldered connections. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see other how-to videos that can help you with your home renovations. Thanks for watching. To replace this leaky faucet, I'll need a new one that comes with a screw-on Pecs fitting, some half-inch Pecs tubing, and a shark bite coupling. You'll also need the following tools, and I'll post a link in the description for each of them. A Pecs clamping tool, Pecs tube cutters, copper tubing cutter, and a copper cleaning brush. First, shut off the main water and turn on the old faucet to drain out the remaining water. Cut the copper water line leading to the old faucet. Remove the old faucet and insert the new one. Hand tighten the Pecs fitting. Clamp the Pecs tubing to the new faucet. You can purchase all of these tools for less than the labor that a plumber would charge you, and once you have them, you'll be able to fix or add a water line whenever you want to. Clean the end of the copper water line with the cleaning brush. Mark the insertion depth required by the push fitting. It's usually on the package. Now if it isn't in all the way, it will leak. Sometimes it goes right in and sometimes it gets hung up, but without the line it's impossible to know if it's all the way in. Cut the Pecs, leaving it long enough to get to the middle of the coupling. Leaving it a little long is okay, because it'll flex. Push the Pecs into the fitting. Once in, the tube can freely spin and will remain sealed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.